Next we have the SnoreRx. The front airway opening here is only about 4 millimeters, and it is partially obstructed by the mechanisms, preventing the tongue from going further forward. The mouthpiece can be adjusted later without additional boiling and biting, but it can be complicated for some people. As long as the components, the pieces, stay together, it can be very comfortable, and the quality appears to be good. You should expect to pay around $110 for this mouthpiece. So in conclusion, while the SnoreRx appears to be of good quality, the multiple pieces and restricted airway may limit its effectiveness.